to the housing program, do you think they'll ever get a house? Overall, only 11% think that people who contribute to the housing levy will get a house. Now, it's very interesting. There's been some, and among pro-government people, about twice as many, 20%, think that those who contribute will get a house. Only 1/5 of opposition supporters. So you can see the political orientation here, where opposition supporters are much less optimistic that people who contribute will get a house. Now, as I was saying, there's been a kind of a change, if I understand, in the messaging from the government about the relationship between contributing and getting the house. When it was first proposed in the finance bill, before the parliamentary committee went to Naivasha, I recall people on behalf of the government saying that people will contribute, they can get a house, but if they don't want one, after 7 years they can take the money out that was contributed by them and their employer.